Hey, yellow and green math. If you're viewing this video, you should have completed pages 13 and 14 in your packet, all about dividing fractions. And now you're ready for the next step. You're going to be creating a flipbook today to show your knowledge and understanding all about dividing fractions. So you can see on this slide what it says is today you'll create a flipbook to show your understanding of fraction division. There's three groups that you can select from the project, and you're going to complete one of these groups and the three problems connected to the group. The solutions to all the problems we post in the classroom for you to check. So you'll be able to confirm that your solutions are correct. It won't have the process, but it will show you what the answers are to each of your problems in case you do have an error within your work. So you can see this is the back right here. This is the back of the project. In the back of the project, you can see that there's three different groups: group one, group two, group three. And for the project, you're going to pick one of these three groups. So you can do all the problems right here in group one, all the problems in group two, or all the problems in group three. You'll notice the directions. It says choose a group of fractions from the problems below. To earn a 4, you need to complete group 3. So if you're going for the 4, that's the problems that you want to do. Now here's an example of my flipbook. This actually doesn't include problems from any of those sections, but it's just an example of what your flipbook might look like. So here's the front cover, my fraction division flipbook. And then inside, I've stated two of the problems. You're going to do three problems, but here's two of my problems that I chose for my sample flipbook. So you can see problem one and problem two, I'm just writing the original problem. Now, underneath where it says ready to solve, you want to make improper fractions if possible. You may not need to do anything in this step if you don't have any mixed numbers. Just write your problem again. And this is true in the first one. I don't have any mixed numbers, so I'm just rewriting my problem. But problem two, I see that I've got 6 and 4/5, so I need to convert that to an improper fraction. So 6 pizzas, each pizza is cut into 5 slices. I've got 30 slices, plus 4 more. I've got 34 slices, and my pizza split into fifths. So I rewrote that as 34/5 divided by 17/45. Now the next page in your flipbook is going to look just like this, where what it says is copy the problem as you wrote it on the page before in the ready to solve section, then turn it into a multiplication problem and cancel. So you'll notice as you go from this page right here to this page, you're using reciprocals to solve, where you're going to skip it, flip it, change the operation. Skip it, flip it, change the operation. So you're converting each of the problems from a division problem to a multiplication problem by using reciprocals or flipping your second fraction. And then once you're at a multiplication problem, what you can then do is you can pull out forms of 1. In this example, 7 and 28 share 7s. So I can simplify this down to 1 7 and 4 7s. And 9 and 3 share common factors of 3. 1, 3, and 3, and there's 3 3s and 9. You're going to do the same thing for each of your problems. You're going to have 3 of them in the group you select. And then you can see that on the last page, what you're going to do is you're going to write what is your quotient. So in my examples, my quotient was 3/4 and 18. Hey, enjoy doing your fraction division flipbooks. I'm excited to see your creativity and what you come up with.